and wait in the sea. Yeah. Yeah, people, see there? Look what I go on now. Downtown, round town. Downtown, me there. See it? Downtown, me there, people. Downtown. Watch out. My boy, don't go out. Wait, boy. The people are downtown. You get me? Downtown. Alright. I have to show you what I go on, you know. Get me, the beautiful Turks and Caicos. All the people everyone around the world, if you've never been to Turks and Caicos, it's a small island in the beautiful Caribbean Sea in the Lesser Antilles, and it's very, very beautiful. You can Google Turks and Caicos and see they got the #1 beach in the world, the Turks and Caicos Islands, you know, and it's a country made up of many different islands and keys. It's not just one island like how we have Jamaica and we on one island. The Turks and Caicos has many different islands and it's beautiful, but the most developed island in the Turks and Caicos is called the Providenciales. So, you know, if you're taking a trip down, I recommend you to go to the Providenciales or the capital, which is Grand Turk. You also have other parts that people live as well. You have like Mega Caicos, North Caicos, South Caicos, you know what I mean? So take a trip down, man. Come enjoy your weekend with your family in the beautiful Turks and Caicos. Beautiful, very nice country to be. Yes, people, they are now New Link Production just give you a look at thing about the Turks and Caicos, because a lot of people sometimes they ask New Link, where is Turks and Caicos? They never heard about Turks and Caicos, so we tell them a look about Turks and Caicos. But New Link have a different thing for talk about right now, my people. Okay, don't know New Link already, you know. We always have something for talk about. Don't it, people? Alright. First of all, let me say, big up the Kids Street. People, please support the Kids Street. Please support the Kids Street. Please. Support the Kids Street if you can. If you can't, don't stress yourself, don't worry yourself. New Link love you. Same way. You get me? I say thanks to everyone who I give them link up to support the Kids Street. You get me? I say thanks to everyone. Even though we still haven't raised any funds yet, but a lot of people link New Link and say, yeah, them are going to support the thing. So, yeah, big up on yourself. Enough love, enough respect. Well, people, here we go now. You know, some really crazy people there at Jamaica right now. Some really crazy people there at Jamaica. And we know some crazy people all over the world, you know, but I'm talking about my country right now. You get me? And we have to adjust this. You get me? We know some people there all over the world right now, but me follow up mostly Jamaican news because that's my country. I think about the safety of my Jamaican people and about me, my family, my friends, and everybody. You get me? I say. So, can you believe it now, people? A man, see? I go look on a man and kill him over just $20 Jamaican. $20 Jamaican. That not even come like that's about 5 cents of a US dollar, you know. $20 Jamaican. When you hear argument develop between two men over $20 Jamaican, and he end up where them have a fight, the next man giant knife and stab the man and kill him over $20 Jamaican. Now him gone to prison, right? The man they dead. The two of them gone left them pitney them, cause they get pitney too, you know. See? I'm just showing us something, people. Or people just not think. They make this thing call them anger and grievance and everything take over their mind. Eh? And you're saying, say, that what them say, whatever fight today, walk away and fight another day, something like that. Finish that for me, people, because we don't really remember my granny used to teach me. I will live to fight today or whatever the next day. You get me? But I'm just saying, eh? And the man, them are going to kill them one another over $20 Jamaican. Them are going to start argument, start fight, start fuss. You get me? Eh? What is world coming to now? Eh? The man, them need to think before them act, man. Use up the brains on God. God go to 5 sentences and put them together. If you can't put them together, fling what they want when necessary and use the 4 and fling in the common sense and use sense, man. But you cannot do that. You get me? Over $20 Jamaican. We not go war and fight. Eh? $20 in a bridging. What $20 can buy? Me ask you now. Make New Link ask now a question. Because the one New Link fi ask now a question. What $20 Jamaican can buy? $20 Jamaican cannot buy nothing. You get me? It cannot buy nothing. Honestly, $20 Jamaican cannot buy nothing. You get me? I say, You can't buy nothing. Cannot buy nothing. No people can't buy nothing. Yeah, cannot buy nothing. I'm gonna kill themselves over $20. Like seriously? Eh? Come on, man. You no need to think, brethren. You need to wise up. And them things are damaged enough for the youth them too. Eh? You know them I use $20 buy sometime 20 bag of weed, which me never think 20 bag of weed I sell again. Cause from me I pick the me see about $20 bag of weed. I mean no it's a Jamaica time get money on them. Me not think they sell them something there again. 20 bag of weed. Eh? Eh? Kill man over $20 bag of weed. Eh? You hear them the foolishness there? Over $20 bag of weed. Brethren, you need to think smart, wise up on yourself. You get me? Wise up on yourself. Because at that time these people see money, no people. And them are rob and kill you, you know, when them saw them. When they saw you all, they are the same one who try to rob you and kill you too. These same people who are so angry and grievous and carry feelings in their heart and want to kill people over $10 and $20. Eh? Wise up. You know what I'm telling you, wise up. You know, stop doing wickedness. People, me can share something to you too. Me not that video here. Me go splice in it. Can I splice in it? I'm if you do a next video about it. Let me tell you, alright, my spirits of a splice. People, let me tell you now. You know what? Me now go do a topic about that. I going to do a topic about it because something I say happen people. And me go do a topic about that. So look out for your video when me go. You know, let me tell you now that topic me go now. It's about Jamaicans who go to abroad and make foreign trick them. You ask some Jamaican make foreign trick them and them diss up them own people and diss up people in a them own in a foreign country and enough of them country when they end up on papers. You know, be careful. You only done people, me so no big up on yourself. Love, attack people. Please remember the kids street coming up. Please remember the kids street coming up. You get me? I say please support the kids street. You get me? Enough love people, enough respect. Big up on yourself. Enough love.